What's up guys, it's Sierra again today. Ryan's not here with me, but as you can tell by the title, we're gonna go check out Howl-O-Scream. Today's the first official day that it's opening. I'm really excited. We go pretty much every year. They always do a great job. They are having a media event, so we are gonna be getting 2 passes for free. I think they come in front of the line stuff. So just know that those are extra costs if you're going. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be allowed to take the camera in the houses, so we're gonna check some of those out. I'm really excited. Again, anything Halloween is fun. So here we go. So we just got here, we picked up our badges. So we're ready to head in. All right, you probably can't hear me, but I got my first drink. This is a fruit punch tequila drink. I don't know what it's called exactly. This one is watermelon and tequila, so both great. Cheers. Woo. Pick one. Okay.
So we got moonshine.
Oh god. Okay, so I'm about to go in the first house. We had some refreshments, which is really great. So like huge shout out to Busch Gardens because they put on such a good event. We're gonna go in the first house. It's Insomnia. I'm excited. I think I get to take you guys with me. So here we go. We just got out of Insomnia, right back there. It was actually really good. The houses are so long, like way longer than I thought they would be, which is really nice because, you know, if you wait a while in line, it's nice when it's a while to go through the houses. We're gonna go into another house. No, it's okay. He is not doing well. Ah! Next up, slaughterhouse. Make your money.
It's too long, girl. Where you been?
These are all really dark houses. You probably can't see us, but we just went through the slaughterhouse. Super fun, but super dark, so I kind of turned off the camera halfway through. I was like, you can't see us. I feel like a lot of these houses are dark, so I may just give you a like synopsis on if I think they're good or not. Next up, the black spot. Here we go. This is another scare zone. All right, we're back to the beginning.
Excuse me, give me some, please. I'll break the camera.
All right, that is it from Howl-O-Scream. Overall, a really fun event. They just do a really good job every year. So if you're looking to do some Halloween stuff, definitely check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. We'll see you on another day. Bye.